There were three rounds where starting from the telephonic round, they were checking that are you really communicable or not? How is your communication skills? And so slightly a touch of the technical knowledge. Then came the GD round. There also the same perspective was there, checking the communication. Then came the main round where technical was there, technical round. Python and SQL, they were checking the hands-on on spot. They were checking that do you have the knowledge on SQL and all these things. So yeah, the level was advanced, but not that advanced that you would not be able to crack it because everything was taught, and if at all you have the knowledge about it, you will be easily cracking that. So this was my experience from Ugam.
Okay, so you just told us about the group discussion part of the interview process. So, given that everything right now is virtual, I'm pretty sure your round was also held virtually.
Okay, so in talking about the group discussion, so mainly the parts comes in the points. If at all you are good at communication, if at all you got the opportunity in that chaos, speaking in front of everyone, so that really helps. But the subject matter, what you are speaking, is very important. If at all you got a chance and you are speaking different from the topic, that will really not help. So, because 5 to 6 people are there in the group discussion, so everyone has to speak. So first of all, it was an open discussion where everyone can speak at that moment. Then from one to one person, they need the perspective from a particular person. If at all at that moment also you are unable to speak, then no one can help you that. Then after that, after saying that, the invigilator sees that who has not spoken, he gives the options to them that do you want to speak, do you want to conclude the whole group discussion. So at that, this was the whole scenario.